Today I am reviewing the Origin PC Neuron gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the Intel Core Ultra 7 265K processor. With a base clock speed of 3.9 GHz and dynamic boost capabilities, this chip is part of Intel's latest architectural leap. It delivers lightning-fast responsiveness, whether you're deep into high-stakes FPS matches, multitasking with streaming and editing, or pushing demanding productivity workloads. And thanks to its liquid cooling system, specifically the Corsair iQ-Link H150i Titan, it stays cool under pressure, quietly and efficiently. Say goodbye to thermal throttling and hello to stable, high-performance gameplay every time. Now, combine that CPU power with the incredible graphics capabilities of the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070. This is one of the most exciting GPUs of the new RTX 50 series. It's not just powerful, it's smart. Leveraging NVIDIA's latest DLSS 4 technology, real-time ray tracing, and ultra-low latency, the RTX 5070 renders modern titles at ultra settings with buttery smooth frame rates, whether you're gaming in 1440p or pushing into 4K. Whether you're diving into the chaotic battlegrounds of Call of Duty, exploring open-world RPGs like Cyberpunk 2077, or even engaging in creative work like 3D modeling or AI-driven applications, this GPU doesn't break a sweat. And when it comes to memory, the Neuron is equipped with a generous 32 GB of Corsair Vengeance DDR5 RAM running at blazing fast speeds. This not only ensures seamless multitasking, but also future-proofs your system for years to come. The RGB lighting is fully customizable using Corsair's powerful ICUE software, allowing you to match your lighting to your setup or even have it react dynamically to your gameplay in supported titles. Storage is handled by a massive 2 TB M.2 NVMe SSD, offering lightning-quick boot times, instant game loads, and plenty of space for your entire gaming library, work files, and creative projects. With PCIe Gen 4 support, this SSD doesn't just store data, it delivers it at ridiculous speeds. All of this cutting-edge hardware is housed in the beautifully designed Corsair 5000D airflow case, known for its excellent cooling capabilities and clean layout. The airflow is optimized, and the system is whisper quiet, thanks to premium fans and airflow design. But it's not just functional, it's also visually striking. With synchronized RGB lighting across components, the Neuron becomes a centerpiece of your setup. Whether you like subtle glows or full-on light shows, the Neuron gives you the flexibility to personalize every inch of your PC's aesthetic. One of the best parts? It's all backed by Origin's legendary build quality and Corsair's industry-leading components. The system comes preloaded with Windows 11 Home, giving you access to all the latest software enhancements for gaming, security, and productivity. In short, the Origin Neuron gaming PC isn't just a computer. It's a high-performance, expertly assembled gaming rig designed for those who want zero compromises. Whether you're a serious gamer, a streamer, a creative professional, or just someone who appreciates top-tier technology, the Neuron is built to exceed your expectations. So if you're ready to upgrade to a future-ready desktop that combines style, power, and reliability, the Origin PC Neuron should be at the top of your list.